And after setting this rail, this is the main y-axis. Then I now start the setting of this rail. I call it is an auxiliary y-axis. That's to help this x-axis, this y-axis, and later on the setter will be mounted on here, and also the rear end of setter will sit on these two blocks. They will be closer together a little bit. And for this is THK rail, and it's a small block, and it is a 25, I don't remember HS. The model is, oh no, not 25, it is 15. A small rail. And for the parallelism of this, with this has already been set. This will perpendicular to the x-axis. This is the x-axis, and by the setting is performed by tuning this 4 screw 1, 2, 3, 4. I already painted white color there. That is already set, and now we is setting this surface to level up with the table surface. And this level is monitored by the screw rod underneath this bottom side of the rail. You can see here this screw rod, and these are the screw rod with hex head here. I tune it with these tools, and first of all I also loosen all this middle portion screw and screw rod, and concentrate on setting on the extreme ends. And actually this rail is set, and I demonstrate the reading. Zero, and here 1 division. This is the first time setting. I call it is a rough setting. Then I move the whole stand to the other side along the table surface, and here it hit the 0 mark, and here also 0 mark. After setting here, the screw on here was locked, and also this slightly lock, and this lock, and also this. Then I will go on to setting for the rest screw, mounting screw, and this screw rod. Each one was set, and now you can see the reading. It's a 1 division. It will be the ends of the setting for this bridge or this y-axis.